a deck of cards, you want to learn first to like shuffle a deck of cards without a flat surface. Ooh.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. We got it.
Like that, in front of you.
Ah.
Because what you need to learn is how to not do the thing I just did, dropping the cards everywhere.
So the key is to do it...
The key is to do it without something backing you. Because normally when you shuffle cards, you shuffle it against a hard surface, but you need to keep your fingers further over than you would normally. And then you catch it on the back of your fingers and flip it over. Obviously it's a little tricky and I haven't practiced in a while. But then the next hardest thing to do is to shuffle a deck of cards on top of
on your head?
Yep. And then after you've done that pretty well, you shuffle a deck of cards behind your back. Like so, I want to practice.
That is amazing.